It's Jolly Boy, new project. It's going to upset somebody. They might think I haven't finished the other project. Just get my hair right now. Just come and have a look through the garden. Let's show you the job, what it's like now. Here you are, small patio, small table. Come over here. Have a look at the side. This is the existing lawn that the developers have put in, and you can see it drops away as well. So we've got to put a new lawn in, so all this has got to come off. We've got to recondition the ground. So the idea, what we're going to have a circle patio area here, okay? Then we're going to have a lawn on this side, a raised bed over here, and there's going to be an aero decking system on this part over here. Then in that corner, this wraparound garden, come and have a look over here. We're going to have a paved area over here for a hot tub. So if you just spin round and come and have a look from here, you'll be able to look back at the garden. This is it. So an urban garden again, a challenge. I'll show you the concept design later, probably in this video. You probably can see it now. That's clever, isn't it? Right, see you soon. Got to get on. Here we are, no camera crew this morning. There's the stud work. Got the membrane in, got the gravel in. We've got that set up roughly to the height where we want to be. Roughly, okay. It's not there at the moment, but we've got to put some concrete pad stones underneath the stud work system. We have screwed it to the fence post at the moment. We're not going to rely on that. We've chopped it up with some timber at the moment. And if you look where the noggins are, we've put some 6x2 all the way underneath, running right the way through there, and that 6x2 is underneath there, and we'll run a string line then from over that side to this side to ensure it's straight when we put the pad stones in there. But we're there with that now, so that's one good thing. What's on next on the agenda is to start getting some of this mud away. So there you go. Sorry about the noise of the wind, but you can see we've cut that one over there, that side there. That slab just there, that one there, I'm not cutting that because we've only just laid that. But these have all been laid for a few days, so we've got that circle going round on here now. So we're going to cut those. Where we are this morning. This is the paving that we left it. We got to shape some of those little sets up and get those little triangles in there. But we're going to be working on that part of the garden. Unfortunately, that's what the weather is today. It's wet, it's miserable, but we're going to start shaping that up now today and see if it will look a little bit better. Well, yesterday, the boys and myself pointed this patio using easy grout from Aspects, and we haven't given it a wash down yet, but you can see that there's no staining on there. It's looking good. A couple of cuts, we always got to improve all the time, but it's gone off absolutely solid, and it's a rapid set, so as we were doing it, it starts to go off. But it rained yesterday, and it rained quite a bit. I'm not suggesting that it's okay to do it in real heavy rain, but I spoke to Jeff yesterday from Aspects, and he said light rain is absolutely fine, but it's gone off solid, and there's no drops in it at all. So there you go, easy grout. Well, this is the BSW Timeless Sleeper, and we've done that planter over that side. We've got a couple of these actual spare now, so we're going to create a little planting pocket over in that corner there. Let's get on with it and get it done. This is South Wales Turf and Topsoil Supply, and this is their magic blend, and full of nutrients, and your plants are really going to grow into this, so they tell me. So we're using this. You can see it's nice and easy all the way down, nice and fluffy, breaks up. Let's see. Well, the grass is in now. This is Tudor grasses, Monaco, and it's all just got a fallout, drop out now, and hopefully the sun will get on it, and it'll fall out and you won't have no creases on there. So there's no membrane underneath there at the moment, but just let it drop out, cut it in, roll it back, get the membrane down, and we'll be away. But we're getting there now.